Hi, good morning YouTubers. Those that don't know me, my name's John. My wife and I, with our family, are Budgie's Bus. I'd like to thank all the viewers of our channel. We are been really humbled by the amount of views we've had. We've had over 2,100 this morning. That is unbelievable in just over a month. It is really humbling to see that people are sparing some of their precious time just to watch our channel. We'd like to really thank you all. We've got 33 subscribers, but apparently that is about normal. You have a bigger ratio of viewers to subscribers, so I would ask those that do subscribe to continue to stick with us. And those that are viewing for the first time or even returning, please hit that subscribe button. It will help us, encourage us to keep these coming. So that's basically part of what I'm going to do today. We've been getting some nasty emails. I'm not going to remove the email. Karen and I, we do believe it's coming from the same person, because their messages are almost word for word the same. We're also getting private messages coming through on the Budgie's Bus Facebook page. I've upset somebody out there, and I apologise if I have. They keep bringing up that I am running down British companies by saying that shop around, save your pennies. I'm sorry if that's what they get, but my intentions is not to hurt anybody's business. My intentions are to try and save motorhomers and caravanners and campers their money. So what I'm going to talk about today is why I'm doing this. It all boils down to greed. There are certain companies out there that try to make an unfair profits. There's a profit and there is profit mongering, and certain people do go out their way to try and rip people off. Okay, I did say about the cables, and if the person that keeps emailing me, yeah, I'm sorry to say your emails now, with all the 6 different email addresses, will be going straight into the spam folder and deleted. But the cables, we were just pointing out that for exactly the same cable you can get at a pittance of a cost of the so-called branded made in England ones, or sorry, made in the UK ones. I'm not trying to run companies down, I'm just pointing out where that greed comes from. Well, that gets the bit of the moan over. Like I say, I'm not trying to upset anybody. We're just stating the facts. We were going to do a frugal Friday, but we decided now just to put the videos in as and when we find them. So thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to explain to the person who it is that's sending us the emails that their emails won't be read anymore, it'll just go to the bin. We are not trying to cause trouble for any individual businesses or anybody. We're just trying to help other motorhomers save some money. So take care, stay safe, and happy travelling to you all. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.